Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to add and use emojis and stickers in iMessage. Whether you want to make your chats more fun or express yourself better, this quick tutorial will help you get started in no time. First of all, unlock your iPhone or iPad and open up the Messages app. Tap on any existing conversation or start a new one by tapping the pencil icon at the top right and entering the contact info. I'm just going to open up one of these conversations over here. To add emoji, tap on the text box at the bottom of the screen and tap on the smiley face icon on your keyboard. Now, scroll through the emoji categories or just use the search bar at the top to find the emoji for yourself. After you do that, select the emoji you want to send, and to use the sticker, type in the emoji you want to send and tap on the little arrow button pointing upwards at the bottom right to send in the emoji. Now if you want to send stickers, tap on the plus button at the bottom left and tap on stickers in the pop-up. Now look for the stickers that you want to use in the conversation. Tap on the sticker in order to send the sticker to the person and tap the arrow button at the bottom right, and there you have successfully sent stickers as well. And that's how you can add and use emojis and sticker in iMessages to make your conversations more colorful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.